Yo, what's going on, guys? And thank you for coming to this video. You are going to learn about the truth about solo ads in 2021. There's a lot of misconception online about solo ads, about the paid traffic, and I want to lay it down for you. And this is going to be very honest. This is a very honest account of solo ads, my experience, what hasn't worked for me, and what is working for me. Okay, so let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Lewis. I've been online for quite a few years now, and I promote other people's products as an affiliate marketer. So make sure you hit that sub button, hit that bell button to get the notifications, because I am bringing some hot training to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, you go learn a lot of stuff where marketers will charge you thousands for. You go learn it here. So make sure you sub. Okay, but let's crack on. The truth about solo ads in 2021. So what you need to know: do solo ads work? It's the question I get asked the most. Do solo ads work? And there's a yes, and there's a no. Okay, you might be thinking, hang on a minute, what's all this about? Okay, but stay tuned, because you're going to get some insane bonuses that I'm going to help you win, and you're going to finally see the formula to win with this. It depends on certain factors. Where you're getting the solo ads from and where you're sending them to. They're the two factors we need to look at. And what most people do, they go to Udemy. You've probably heard of it before. So there's two factors we need to get. Get a pen and paper, write this down if you need to, rewatch this, and let me know your comments below, because I'm here to help you guys, okay? Here to help you make your online business a success. So can you relate to this? Okay, you Google solo ads and you get a list of promotions. You see Udemy, which is normally at the top, and you go on a site called Udemy and you find the cheapest solo ad, and you just buy the solo ad, send it to your offer, and you're hoping you're going to make a ton of sales. I've been there and I've done that. You look, you think, oh, he's doing a good deal, that's cheap, but that's not the way to go. Solo ads has a process, and you need to understand the process of it all to make them work. Because if you're sending them blind to just any offer without a good follow-up on the back end, then you're wasting your money, and then solo ads won't work for you. Many people go, they don't work, it's because they're sending them to the wrong places. Okay, I've been there, and I'm sure you have. Let me know in the comment section if you've bought solo ads and you haven't seen any results. But this video, you see why. Okay, this is the whole reason of my channel, is showing you why. I'm giving you reasons behind it. Okay, so this is the wrong way of doing it. Okay, the wrong way of doing it. You buy a solo ad and you send it to a sales page. That sales page obviously got an offer on it. You don't want to do that. You're literally getting your money and putting it down the drain. Okay, and the other way of doing it is people buy a solo ad and then send it to a high ticket webinar. And again, this is not the right way of doing it. This is just wasting your money on solo ads. Okay, you've got to remember, what is solo ads? It's cold traffic. Cold traffic, guys. Okay, it's not like organic Facebook or anything like that where people know you and like you and trust you. Okay, this is cold traffic who they don't really know you. So this is the wrong way of doing it. Okay, and why is this the wrong way? I mentioned a little bit before, but I want to go over why is this the wrong way. And in a minute, we're going to go into Udemy. We're going to go in and I'll go show you, okay? So you're sending people straight to a sales page, let's just say. My bad. Sales page. So you're sending people straight to a sales page. It's a big no-no, okay? I still see people doing it. And this is why, okay? A very small percentage buy when they first see the offer. That's why you need a capture page, which is also a landing page. So, yeah, people sending it straight to a sales page and not having a capture page or a landing page. And you need to build a list, an email list, so you can follow up with daily. Because a very, very small percentage, okay, will buy on the first glance of your offer. And they need that follow-ups, plural, UPS. Not follow up, not just follow up once, follow up many times. Sometimes it takes 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 times, 2 months for someone to take action, okay? So you need that capture page to build that list and then follow up with them. And from the capture page, you go straight to a sales page, okay? But we'll get into that. So also the other why it's run, the send them to a high ticket webinar, it's solo ad traffic is cold. They don't know you. They won't trust you. And the way they will trust you is through your follow-ups. And then they will see you as a real person. They start meeting you. They start hearing your stories. You start giving them real value in your follow-ups. And they can see you're a real person. And they build that trust and likeness. And with your follow-ups, you can send them to YouTube videos so they can see you. Or you can send them to a blog. And there's many ways to do the follow-ups. But there's going to be a new training on that. So what is the right way? What is the right way of solo ads? I want to keep this very short and just precise, okay? I want to give you the best stuff. Solo ad traffic is cold traffic. They don't know, like, or trust you. So you send them to a good front offer. A good front offer, and you may get a few sales on the front end, okay? But the main objective of paid traffic is you're building your email list, okay? You're building your email list, and they're getting follow-ups from you every day. And that's where they're building their trust with you and their relationship with you. Affiliate marketing is a big relationship building kind of game. Okay, you need to build relationships because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. We know that. You buy things from people because maybe some certain shops because you like them, you know they do good stuff, they've got good quality stuff, and you go buy them. And that's what happens when you're online. When you're a good marketer and you're showing them good offers and you're helping them every day and you're giving them value, they will come to you first to buy something, or they will ask you, have you got a link for this product, okay? So build your email list. So you need a front end offer, which is a $9 offer, 15, 20, just a front end offer. And people go, well, I want to make the big bucks. You can, you will, with the right process. This is solo ad traffic. This is not organic traffic. It's not YouTube traffic, Facebook, anything like that. This is solo ad paid traffic. You got to build that relationship. I say it over and over again, but this is the vital part. And then what you do is, in the back end of your follow-ups, you sell a higher ticket. So you can put a higher ticket webinar in. It's exactly what I do, and I get results from it. I have a front end offer, and on the back end, after they get to know me a bit more, hear a bit more story, they know I'm a real person, and know I'm helping, I put a higher ticket webinar in front of them. And then it converts better like that, rather than sending traffic straight to a high ticket offer. It doesn't convert well, okay? So why not Udemy? I want to say why not Udemy, and stay tuned because I'll show you exactly where you can get traffic, which I know where it comes from and I know where it works, okay? So let's go check it out, okay? So Udemy, I've used it, and I'm not saying before I start this that everyone on Udemy is poor. There are some good sellers on there, but they're hard to find, and that's the honest truth. And with my YouTube channel, I'm honest. I'm not going to give you fluff. I'm not going to give you BS. I'm an honest marketer. I'm going to say what is working and what's not. I've tested it. I've bought solo ads, okay? I've bought solo ads, but I stopped buying solo ads when I found the right person I needed to buy traffic from. So you can go to Udemy and log in and have an account and have a look. You can go to solo deals and you go through all these people. Like I just said, these people are not bad people. They're not, I just want to highlight that because I don't want people going, oh, you're trashing people, and all that. That's not my point. My point is to help you with your business, especially if you're in high tech, affiliate marketing, or MLM, anything online. This is where I help you, because you can get solo ads in the fitness niche, crypto niche. You can get solo ads for that. So this is going to help you in whatever niche you're in. Okay. So you go through here. This is what people do. They join Udemy and they go through here and they look at the solo ad deals. Okay, 40 cent per click. Okay, so one person will cost you, one click will cost you 40 cents, and you go down to 50 cents, 45. And what people tend to do is they go, let's find the cheapest. Okay, but that's not always the good way of doing it. Okay, because the cheapest normally doesn't work out well, and this is why. Okay, I told you I'm going to tell you. A lot of these people in Udemy, Okay, and I'm not saying any names, I'm not putting any blame on anyone. They swap their traffic with other solo ad providers. So people on here are solo ad providers, and they're going to other solo ad providers and they're swapping their traffic. Oh, I'll send you traffic, you send me traffic. They're swapping each other's traffic. What does this mean? This means offers and the people on their list are not responsive. They've been trashed with offers. They've been absolutely bashed to death with offers. They're not fresh, or if they are, they've just seen the same offers over and over again. They've been trashed from one solo provider to another solo provider. Okay, and this is why a lot of the Udemy traffic is not good. And you'll buy 200 clicks, 300 clicks, you get a lower conversion rate, and you may get 1 or 2 sales, but the quality of the leads and the follow-up is terrible. You get loads of unsubscribes, you don't get any action takers, and you don't get many buyers, because these people are not everyone on here, like I'm going to say over and over again, not everyone on here, but these people swap, all the different solo providers will swap their traffic with each other. It trashes their traffic. It makes them unresponsive. I've tested many on here, okay, and I found 2 good people on here that actually gave me good results, okay. But it's up to you. If you want to go and test, you can. But I've done the testing, and so many on here, the traffic is bad, and it's not because my offer's bad or my follow-up's bad, because I've tested with the same offer and I've had absolutely amazing results with an offer with a good traffic compared to crap traffic. I know the difference between good and crap. I've been around too long to know the difference between good and crap. It wasn't just a one-off. Their traffic's crap. I don't want to admit it, but it is, okay? So I want to show you right now. This is going to save you a ton of time. I'm going to show you where to go, who to use, and you will get results. And you'll get a quality list going and built. And you'll get sales, okay? And you'll get back-end sales and high-ticket sales. And this guy is Just Eat, okay? Just Eat Solo Ads. He's not on Udemy, okay? Below is a link to invitation to this page. So click that link below. It'll be the first link in here. Below that link is going to be a product to get to invest in and use, and then promote it with this, okay? So I'm giving you offer below this as well. So check the 2 links below. Get involved in it and take action, okay? So this guy's premium traffic is one of the best solo ad users I've used. You can come to this website. It's in the link below, the first link. And the link after that, like I've said, is what you need to get involved with, okay? Get involved with it. Go through the training. It's exactly what I've done and got tons of results. So I'm just giving you the whole solution, okay? Giving you the whole solution right here. Giving you the actual product to use that converts and the traffic. This is if you've got paid traffic and you want to do solo ads. I'm not saying organic's bad, you can do that. But if you've got a little bit of a budget, come here, okay? Come here and go through here. See the reviews in here. Have a look, see what you're getting. And then come down and place an order, okay? So I'm going to tell you the difference between Udemy and this Just Eat's traffic. They're 100% unique premium leads, okay? So they have been like pre-framed, like Just Eat says, and they're ready to buy. They've been warmed up. They have a problem. They want a solution, and your product is a solution. You're sending out your product in an email that Just Eat does for you, okay? So it's hands off. You put your order in, he does it all for you. They know about online businesses. They know about starting an online business, so they want to buy. Buying power is incredible, and where he gets his traffic, he does not swap his traffic. I have known him for years. I know where he gets his traffic from. It's not swapping. He gets it from what we use every day. Facebook, YouTube. He gets top traffic from there. You getting fresh leads from sources that the big boys, the big leaders are using. Okay, so you don't need to figure out Facebook ads or YouTube ads. You can come here and get good traffic. Okay, So that is how solo ads, my review on solo ads in 2021. Don't go to Udemy. Come here and save your time and save your money. Talk to him. He gives you a funnel review. He have a look at your funnel. If it's not a good fit, he's honest about it. Come here, check it out. He'll talk. Great communication. He'll give you some follow-ups as well, and you're gonna have something sorted. Okay, you're gonna have something really good sorted. So that is all for me today. I hope you've enjoyed this review. I hope you've enjoyed some of the training I've put in there and given you an idea why solo ads might have not worked for you before, but why they will work now. Like I've said before, the first link is to Just Eat's page. If you've already got a business running, you want a little bit of paid traffic coming towards it, click that link and order, guys, okay? Below that is an actual product to use, so get involved with it. You go get some bonuses, you go be invited to a private group, you go get more one-on-one coaching, and when you do get involved with it, shoot me a message on here. I'll leave my email below as well. Shoot me a message on there, and I'll chuck you some more bonuses your way. I'll give you some follow-ups that I have at work. I'll give you some video training that I have done privately for people, and I'll shoot it all over to you, okay? So take action below, sub to the channel, hit that bell button, and let's get you winning with your online business, okay, guys? So that's all for me today. Have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Some good videos and good content coming out. I'm showing you how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch next. So keep your eyes out.